Do not think Hinduism is not in any imminent danger that we can protect it next generation. First, let me have the criminally negligent, comfortable Hindu life. What I call is one wife, two kids, two car, one house, bank balance. Criminally negligent, comfortable, luxurious Hindu life doesn't bother about anything else. Don't think you can afford the criminally negligent Hindu life any further. I don't know how many of you know. So many Hindu women are raped in Bangladesh. Hindus are killed in Bangladesh. Hindu properties are robbed. So much Hindus are going through in Bangladesh, and Hindu social media accounts are all blocked. They can't even tell the world their sufferings. Listen, oh Hindus, listen. 5 generations before, when Hindu women were getting raped, Hindus' properties were getting robbed, Hindus were getting murdered in Afghanistan. All Hindus in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Burma, everywhere kept quiet. Then the Hindu women who got raped in Afghanistan, their kids, naturally, those kids are not going to grow up as Hindus. Those kids, when they grew up, the 4th generation, 4 generations before, sorry, not 4th generation, 4 generations before, the kids who are born for the 5 generations before Hindus, see, 5 generations before, when Hindus are getting raped in Afghanistan, all the Hindus in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, everywhere, they kept quiet. Criminally negligent Hindu lifestyle. Then, 4 generations before, the kids who are born for the Afghanistan women who got raped, those kids, they entered Pakistan and started raping Hindu women, robbing Hindu properties, and murdering Hindus. Again, Hindus in Balochistan, Hindus in Punjab, Hindus in India, Hindus in Bangladesh, everywhere they continue to live the criminal negligent lifestyle. Then, 3 generations before, the Hindu women started getting raped in Afghanistan, the Pakistan, Bangladesh, everywhere. Again, the criminally negligent Hindus kept quiet. Now, last 2 generations, these people who are born due to the rape happened on Hindu women, those kids, their generation is raping the Hindu women in Bangladesh, robbing all the properties of the Hindus, murdering the Hindus. So you Hindus still continue to live that criminally negligent lifestyle. So this generation, the kids who are born out of this rape, are naturally going to enter into India, West Bengal, Kerala, all over, and going to rape your women of this generation, and you will continue to live your criminally negligent Hindu lifestyle, they will breed, and the next generation kids who are born out of this rape, they are going to go out and rape the Hindus all over the world. Please be very clear. Your criminally negligent Hindu lifestyle is responsible for everything related to Hinduism getting wiped out. If you are still in the delusion, Hindus are majority in India, you are fool. You are a fool. You are deluded fool. Organized minority who have the political control, media control, who have the strong lobby in administration, bureaucracy, judiciary, in every field, is the real power centers. Be very clear. It is who is organized and be a power center. Who is power center. If you are still thinking Hindus are majority in India, you are fool. You are deluded. Be very clear. I am not talking about just India or Nepal. I am presenting the truth to the whole world. All of you, all over the world, all the Hindus all over the world need to wake up. Hinduism is real. Hinduism need to be kept alive. Listen, let me repeat. Hinduism is real. Hinduism need to be kept alive. You Hindus need to wake up from this criminally negligent Hindu lifestyle.